Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what do we got going on today? Well, today we're going to finish up our Frozen Berry Brandy. We're going to get it into the bottle. I mean, it's been about a week. The berries lost their color, so I think it's about ready to go. And stick around to the end because we're going to give it a taste, and we're also going to figure out what did it cost us. Okay, so wait a minute. There's 5 things that you can do to help us out. Number 1, please hit that subscribe button. Number 2, hit that notification bell. Number 3, share us with your friends. Number 4, what is number 4? Oh, give us that thumbs up. And number 5, leave a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Now let's get started. Okay, if you can see, that is one beautiful berry color. The strawberries and everything, they lost their color. So what we're going to do next is we're going to strain the berries off. So what I do is I got just a screen. This is just the first to get the berries. Oh, look at that. I need something, because I'm going to make a heck of a mess. Let me get some. Alright, so what I'm going to end up doing, it smells fantastic. Okay, so let me finish getting this strained out, and then we'll be back, because I'm going to leave that sit there for a little bit. It's still draining. I wonder what this berry tastes like. You could put that on ice cream. Damn. I mean, it's still draining out. All right, she's about done. Let me pour the other one in there. All right, the last of this one. This is gonna be good stuff. Kind of like moonshine cherries right now, but they're awful mushy. All right, let me get set up for the next step, and then I'll be back. We're going to put this in a bottle. Okay, so what I did is, like I got doubled up coffee filters here. I did buy a cheesecloth because I wasn't sure if it would, how it was going to go through the coffee filter, but let's try it out. It might go through pretty good. All right, so let me fill these up. It's going through there pretty good. I was afraid it wasn't. I might have to change them out. I believe it's going to stop them up pretty fast. All right, so this is going to take a little while. That's okay. Good things if people do wait. Okay, so let me get these bottles filled up, and then come back. I mean, the smell is, whew. Okay. Get all that straightened out. I did end up using the cheesecloths because this just clogged up a coffee filter, and I couldn't do it. So I did use a cheesecloth to get it all strained out. I mean, if you look at that, that's a beautiful color brandy. All right, so let's give it a taste. All right, the first thing I wanted to taste is the white. Okay. I mean, I can smell berry. It smells fantastic. Now, I did cut this. It is 105 proof. So let's see what we got there. Wow. That's fantastic. That's good. I could sip on that. I would like to put an ice cube in it. I just need to cut it down just a little bit. It's a little bit hot for me. But it's very tasty. I mean, I can taste the berry in it. That's very, very, very good. Okay. All right. All right, so let's taste some of this. All right. Like I said, it is a beautiful color. And I can smell the berry in it. It's not too sweet. I was afraid it was going to be a little bit too sweet. I mean, yes, I do taste the sweetness to it, but it's not too sweet. Oh, wow. That is good. I really enjoy that. I mean, the berry taste is right out there out front. That is very, very delicious. I mean, yes, a little bit sweet. Berries, I ain't getting much burn. I think the little bit of sugar in it did take the burn away. And I'm guessing it's somewhere right around 40 proof. Well, I would say this is a success. Very good, very delicious. Yes. Okay. So, what did it cost? Alright, so we're going to figure that out here in a second. Okay, if you can see right here, the mash, I used 8 pounds of berries at $2.65, so that equals $21.20. 2 gallons of grape juice at $2.68 times 4, so that was $10.72. 8 pounds of sugar, that was $3.20. 3 pounds of berries for the maceration was $7.95. The additional sugar was 80 cents. That gives me a grand total of $43.87. Okay, so if we take that and we ended up with 5 bottles, and I mean that was 1 white and 4 of the brandy, and if we, it was just a shy under $11, $10.96 per bottle. That's not too bad. I mean, if you go check the price of brandy out, it's I would say it's pretty expensive. So I think I probably could have cut back on the berry. I could probably cut that back to 1.5 to 2 pounds. I really do believe so, and it would be just fine. The mash I would leave the same, but next time I think I'm gonna cut this down to 1.5 to 2 pounds of berry in the maceration and see how that turns out. Okay. Okay, so that is our Frozen Berry Brandy. I think it was a big success. I'm going to enjoy this. I think it would just get a little bit better as it sits. So I hope, you know, if you like brandy, I would give it a shot. You can adjust with the quantities all you want. That white, you know, some people told me to check that out. I have to believe that's pretty darn good. Yes, I'm enjoying that. So, alrighty. One left thing to say. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.